how to fix notes in Outlook and how to get them back. Here I am in the classic version of the Outlook application, and I also have the new version of the Outlook application open right here. So if you have used the classic version of Outlook, there is a notes feature right here. So you can click this apps right here. Then you can see your notes right here using the notes application built in the classic version of the Outlook application. So if I click that, it will show me all of my notes that I have in my account right here. And you can also go to other accounts to see if you have created some notes in your other Outlook accounts. So I think now it's loading. So since I don't really have notes in my other accounts right here, it doesn't display anything. So I only have notes in my account right here at the top. And then I can see my notes right here. Then I can go ahead and create new notes or new items. If you're using the new version of Outlook, the notes feature right here is now disappeared. So you don't really have the notes feature right here in the new version of Outlook. You have OneNote, but that is still different from the notes that you had in the classic version of Outlook. So this is because Microsoft has migrated the Notes application for the new version of Outlook. So it is now an entirely different application. So to access your old notes in the classic version of Outlook, the application that you need to use is Microsoft Sticky Notes. So you can go to Windows and then go to the Microsoft Store. From here in the search bar, you can type in Sticky Notes. And then you can see this Microsoft Sticky Notes application right here. So you can go ahead and install this. From here, you can open it, or you can go to your search and then type in Sticky Notes. In my case, it's already installed, so I can just click on it. And then now I have my Sticky Notes right here. So as you can see, if I open the classic version of Outlook and then open the Sticky Notes, as you can see, I have the same notes right here. So this is the new application that Microsoft has created for your old classic version of Outlook notes. And then that is it. So you can just go ahead and use this Sticky Notes application if you want to use notes while using the new version of Outlook. And then that is it. So that is the only way that we can access our old notes in the classic version of Outlook. We just need to use the Microsoft Sticky Notes application. So I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.